Hi all, I'm Priyanshi Vijgane and as a data science and business analyst intern at the Sparks Foundation for batch February 2021. This is my submission for task 3, that is exploratory data analysis retail. The task basically is to perform the exploratory data analysis on sample superstore dataset and as a business manager find out the weak areas where work is required to increase the profit and to decrease the losses the business is facing. So let's get started. I have done the analysis using Tableau and made a dashboard which will help us to explore and analyze data with visual interaction. So what I have done is I have divided the whole analysis into certain levels. We will dive into each level one by one and see where changes can be made to increase the profit. So first, I have done the analysis of sales, discounts and profit on category subcategory level. What we can see here is the subcategories like copiers and phones are making maximum profit out of the business, and subcategories like tables and bookcases are running into losses. Also we can see the overall performance, or we can see the overall profit is maximum in technology category and minimum in furniture subcategory. But it is also can be seen that the subcategories into the technology categories are very few, so it is advisable to introduce some more subcategories into the technology category, so that the profit can be increased in the business. Also, one more thing here is some subcategories are not making much profit despite of having a huge discount, like subcategories binder. We are giving the business is giving the huge discount, but they are not making a significant amount of sales or profit. So it is advisable to reduce the discounts from subcategories which are not making much profit despite having huge discounts. Now we will analyze the profit state wise. From a in the left side we have the on the left side we have the map of cities where we have our business and the colors representing the total profit made in that city. The highest shade of blue means the state is making maximum profit, while the highest shade of orange is representing that the business is running in losses in that city. California is making maximum profit, followed by New York and Washington, while on the other hand Texas is facing losses, followed by Ohio and Pennsylvania. Now on the right side we have the bar graph of discount, profit, sales in these states to observe the trend and behavior simultaneously. One can clearly see that the states like Texas, Ohio and Pennsylvania are facing maximum loss, and in which are the states in which business is giving maximum discounts. We can see here the discounts are maximum, but the business is facing losses in the same states. So and also not creating much sales in the state despite of having huge discount. Therefore, it is suggested to reduce the discounts in such states to make more to reduce the losses in the city. This can be a reason to face this much of loss, because we are giving very high discounts and they are not really producing much sales. So this is the reason. This might be a reason for huge loss. Now comes the region category wise analysis. We will see how profit is varying in each category in different regions. Now we can see in each region which category is making maximum profit and which category is running in loss, because we can see the office supply is not making much contribution to the total profit in central region, but it is making a significant amount of profit in other regions like east, south and west. So it is advisable to put efforts and money in categories according to the profit they are making in each region. Yeah. So now comes the ship mode analysis, because shipping mode also affect the profit the business is making. So our next analysis is on that. We are going to see in which mode the business is making maximum profit and in which it is running in losses. We can see at a glance that in central region office supplies, in the standard class business is selling a huge amount and giving a big discounts. We can see quantity is very high and discounts are very high, also very high, but not making much profit out of it. We can see it is not that much profit. So, and we can see that in second class their profit is huge despite of having low quantity and low discount. So here it is suggested to sell more products in second class and to reduce discounts from the standard class. Similarly, we can go for every category in all regions and will make changes accordingly to reduce the loss and increase the profit. If we go for furniture, we can see here that in furniture in furniture category in central region we are facing only losses. We can also see this from the donut chart. The furniture is not making a much contribution in the total profit of the region, and here the exact numbers are representing that the category is running into the losses in central region. So what we can see is it is facing maximum loss in the second class. So it is advisable to reduce the second class facilities in central region for furnitures, and also to reduce the discounts we are giving, the business is giving in the second standard class, because it's not of use, because the business is anyway facing the losses. So to reduce the discount is suggested. Now the last comes the states for expansion. After all the analysis and making changes in the existing business, now we can think of expanding in the states where business is making good profit along with a huge amount of sales. So what I have done, I have created a set which contains states which are making sales above $40,000 and profit greater than $10,000. So in the map we can see there are two colors, the blue and the gray. So the blue color is representing the states which have sales greater than $40,000 and profit greater than $10,000. So these are the states in which we can expand our business to make more profits and sales. So the states are following: Washington, California, Michigan, Indiana, Georgia, Virginia, and New York. So there are 7 states in which the business can be expand, and we can uh, make more profit and sales out of it. So yeah, that's all about it. That's the whole analysis, and we have suggested many changes in each level to make profit and profit to the business and maximum sales. So